This is a beautiful city to live, work, and play. We are more than just parks and Barrier Island. We have families. They go to school here. Their kids go to school here. They work here. They want to invest in their communities, and they're really trying to. And
I was born and raised in Riviera Beach, so I can say this is truly my home. To be honest, I would love for my family to live in Riviera Beach. 2 reasons. One of it is because I grew up here, so I love the community. I love what we can make it out to be. To be able to afford a house that's $300,000, $400,000 on $60,000 salary, that's impossible. And
it's very limited. Affordable housing is very limited. Right now, there's over 400 houses that are registered at a real estate office in 33404, but they're from $329,000 to $3.9 million. They're out of reach. They're registered. They're there. There's almost 1,000 vacant homes in Riviera Beach that we see that could be renovated. So I'm knocking on community partners of South Florida's door to say, listen, this is a vibrant community. These houses are here. They just need restoring. And then I would like to see safety, number one, good school education for the children, and then health and wellness. That's real important. If you're sick, you should be able to go within your city to get good health care. And I'm so grateful that we are heading in that direction. So safety, education, and health and wellness.
right now, I'm working as a substance abuse and mental health therapist. In 5 years, I plan on having my own practice in Riviera Beach to help the community deal with mental health and help curb some of the mental health crisis that is plaguing our city. And I want my family, I want my children to be able to say, you know what? My father helped make this community a better place. My father had a staple in this. My father was able to help build this. It's amazing when you hear kids talk about how their family helped build the library or their grandfather's the reason why they have this gym. I want my kids to be able to say, my father helped build this clinic. My father helped reestablish mental health. My father is the reason why we have ICU here, or my father was a very big advocate to community partners in South Florida and Bridges. My father, I want them to be able to tell their children. I want their friends to be able to hear my children brag on me like I hear so many other children being able to brag on their family.
And what Community Partners of South Florida is helping us do through the City of Riviera Beach, CRA, is to make sure that they go through the home buyers program so that they can not only afford the house, get it with low down payment, but understanding how to keep their environment clean, how to keep the payments, how to give them tools on how to keep the house.
We know that home ownership has generational impacts, stabilizing families and making our communities safer and more attractive. Through our home ownership programs, we are reclaiming our neighborhoods while reimagining a Riviera Beach that continues to positively change the lives of our residents, one home at a time. So on behalf